Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 26th, Linear Equations in Two Variables, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Solve for x and y. Quite a difficult problem now this is. You try it yourself also after this. So what are the equations given? Solve means what? You have to find the value of x and y. So 2 upon x plus 2y plus 1 upon 2x minus y plus 5 upon 9 equals to 0. This is equation number 1. And 9 upon x plus 2y plus 6 upon 2x minus y plus 4 equals to 0. This is equation number 2. Now we have to solve this. So what you do is, you can see one thing in common, that in both 1 and 2, the denominators means 1 x plus 2y, x plus 2y, 2x minus y, 2x minus y. So what you do is, let capital X equals to 1 upon x plus 2y. Remember this, 1 upon. Why? Because we want everything in numerator. So 1 upon x plus 2y, and capital Y equals to 1 upon 2x minus y. So equation 1 becomes what now? Therefore equation 1 becomes 2 into capital X plus y, right? This one equals to minus 5 by 9. Getting it? And here, therefore, solve this. Take 9 on the other side. You get 18x plus 9y equals to minus 5. Make this equation number 3. Okay. Check this, what have we done. 2x, how did this 2x come? Because capital X is 1 upon x plus 2y. So this will be 2x then. Right. Now equation number 2. That also becomes the same thing. 9 capital X plus 6 capital Y, and this 4 on this side on the minus equals to minus 4. Right. 9x plus 6y equals to minus 4. 3 and 4. Now this is simple to solve. So 4 into 2, it becomes what? 18x plus 12y equals to minus 8. Why did we do 4 into 2? Because 9x and 18x, they can get cancelled. Now this, give this number as 5. So now solve 3 and 5. So 3 minus 5, what do you get? 9 minus 12, 3 minus 5. See this. 9y minus this 12y equals to minus 5 plus 3, that is plus 8, that is plus 3. So it becomes, so we get minus 3y, means 9y minus 12y minus 3y equals to minus 5 plus 8, right? Because minus minus plus, so plus 3. So y equals to minus 1, that is capital Y. Now put this in 3. You get what? 18x plus 9 into minus 1 equals to minus 5. Therefore 18x equals to 4, x equals to 2 by 9. Now we got capital X and capital Y. But what is capital X and what is capital Y? We have seen, we have put it over here. So put the real values now. So now what happens is, this, see this, 1 upon 2x minus y equals to minus 1. This y, real value. So solve this. 2x minus y equals to minus 1. Cross this and minus 1. So it becomes minus 1. Equation number 6. And for x, it is 1 upon x plus 2y, this x, right, equals to 2 by 9. Real value of this capital X, right. Solve this. So x plus 2y on this side, 9 on this side. 2x plus 4y equals to 9. This is equation number 7. Now 6 and 7 are easy. 2x minus y and 2x plus 4y. So perform 6 minus 7, x will go. So what happens? Minus y minus 4y, this minus y minus 4y equals to minus 1 minus 9, that is minus 10. So minus 5y equals to minus 10, y equals to 2. Put this in 6, you get 2x minus 2 equals to minus 1. Right? What is 6? This 2x minus y equals to minus 1. So 2x minus 2 equals to minus 1. Therefore 2x equals to 2 on this side, it becomes 1. X equals to then 2 on this side, other side, it goes down, denominator 1 by 2. So x equals to 1 upon 2 and y equals to 2. That is a solution for this full big equation. Remember, this problem is very tough. You have to practice it yourself. Once, twice, thrice, only then you will understand, because practice only makes you perfect, nothing else. There is no shortcut. Okay. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks.